To begin copy trading, you'll need an account, and if you don't have one, you can find a link to sign up in the description. Upon signing up, you'll receive a discount on all trading fees. Once you're logged in, you can start the copy trading process by finding a suitable wallet. A simple way to find wallets is by selecting a random coin, clicking on the holders, and browsing through the list of holders for that coin. To copy a wallet's address, simply click on it. To initiate copy trading, click on the logo associated with the wallet you've chosen, which will direct you to the wallet's page, where you can view its details. After selecting a wallet, click on the Copy Trade option, usually located on the right side. You will then see the wallet address, which should match the one you previously selected. From here, you can set your maximum buy amount, choose to fix the buy amount or set a fixed ratio, and customize your auto sales, take profit, and stop loss settings. Advanced settings are also available for experts. Once you've entered all the necessary parameters, you can confirm and start copy trading. The process is relatively straightforward, and by following these steps, you can begin copy trading.